Smoothies are a great breakfast that you can have throughout the morning, perfect for those who are stuck with work, or otherwise. All these recipes are in our blog down below, so be sure to check them out in case you need a written update. A good breakfast can get your day started and your metabolism kicking, and these smoothies will do just the thing. Whoever you're making the smoothie for, even if it's you, will surely appreciate it. So without further ado, let's get a blending. Let's try a little bit of a twist on the classic berry bash with some peanut butter. Peanut butter is really good for you, so having a spoonful or two in the morning wouldn't be the worst thing. Start off with 1 whole banana. Peeled would be preferred. Then add in 3 to 4 large strawberries, or 5 to 6 small ones. Try to find strawberries that are nice and firm. However, if you have a couple of bruised ones, don't throw them away. They're going to be blended, so instead make sure that they haven't rotten and just toss them in. Feel free to add any other berries. After that, add a spoon or half a spoon of that good old PB. Now add in about 8 ounces of milk. And we wait. Backup milk to the rescue! There you go. Oh, it's too much! That's alright, it'll just make the smoothie a little more blended. You can adjust the milk to your preference. Blend the smoothie until it's nice and smooth. Well, smooth as a smoothie. It should take around a minute. And be sure not to underblend it, otherwise you're going to have chunks of stuff in your drink. Trust me, I know from experience. Now imagine this is you pouring out your new smoothie. And it's alright, you can take a couple of pictures, or videos, we won't tell. On to smoothie number 2, apple, banana, and strawberry. Chop up a whole apple and enjoy the crisp noise. Wait for it. Wait for it. Ah, there it is. There you go. Keep on chopping it up. Try making them a little small so that they can blend really nice in a smoothie. Otherwise it might end up being chunky, which we all know is not what you want. Then take about 2 to 3 large strawberries or 5 to 6 small ones and put them in too. Now you're going to need half a banana. The other half, do what you will, but please sure to use it. Can you guess what happened to my other half of the banana? Stick around to the end of the video to see him munching on the banana. Blend it for about a minute. You know the drill. And so here's how this smoothie pours out. Very tasty, I assure you. The first one's a classic, and this one is a beauty. Here's a quick montage of the second smoothie. On to our next flavor, Strawberry-Avocado. Now I know what you're thinking. What? Who puts avocado in a smoothie? Well, I do, and you will too once you've tried it out. Avocados are high in healthy fats, so it's a great way to get some good fats in. Okay, gonna throw you a little bit of a curveball. How about instead of using 2 to 3 large strawberries, put in about 5 to 6. Next, chop up half an avocado and pop that into your smoothie. Unlike with the other smoothies, for this one the sweetness is relying on one fruit, the strawberry. To kind of make sure that the smoothie is sweet enough, try adding sweeter strawberries, or you can put in honey, agave nectar, or sugar. Otherwise it could end up a little sour. Once again, add in about 8 ounces of milk. And blend it for about a minute. Okay, I messed up. So here I'm adding a little more milk to make it a smoothie and not a smoothie bowl. Blend it for a minute. And voila! A nice strawberry avocado smoothie. It doesn't look the part, but it tastes good. Trust me. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Smoothies are a small passion of mine, and hopefully you guys can unlock your smoothie potential too. Feel free to experiment. After all, failure is the best way to learn. If your smoothies don't turn out great, it's alright. Take it as a teaching moment, learn from your mistakes, and soon enough you will progress. Share your smoothie, hug your smoothie, whatever. As long as you make someone smile, even if that someone is you, it's a job well done. Leave a comment down below with your favorite smoothie recipe. Maybe I'll give it a try. Also, let us know if there's anything else you want us to do. Subscribe to stay tuned for more like this. Have a good day and happy blending. I almost forgot. Here is our banana thief in action. Can you record? Looky.